the diagnostic tests. The first diagnostic test that we usually do for psychiatric patients is the blood chemistry. Now, sa blood chemistry, ito yung mga chinecheck natin na mga tests. So, from the word itself, chemistry, lahat ng mga electrolytes usually, no? And as you notice, pag umiinom ka ng mga psychiatric medications, it can alter the electrolyte levels of your body. So we have potassium, sodium, calcium, phosphorus, glucose, bicarbonate, blood, urea, nitrogen, creatinine, protein and albumin, osmolality, amylase, lipase, alkaline phosphatase, ammonia, bilirubin, lactate dehydrogenase, aspartate aminotransferase, and alanine aminotransferase. This is your ALT and AST, no? Now, ano napansin niyo commonly sa mga values na to or sa mga test na to sa blood chemistry? Ano napansin niyo? It usually reflects your kidney and liver function. Now, it reflects usually the kidney and liver functions which sila yung may primary responsibility on the medication metabolism. Okay? And sometimes pag masyadong bumaba or masyadong tumaas, it can also induce psychiatric effects like delirium, okay, ano pa ba? Um, tawag dito, decrease in sensorium. Okay? So, ito yung mga nangyari pag nagkakaroon ng alteration sa mga blood levels ng isang patient. Kaya natin siya chinecheck. Okay?